You know how when you have a crush on someone, you stalk all their social medias to learn more about them? Yeah, well, I do not recommend doing that because one time I liked this girl and I was looking through her profiles online and I found a picture of her with her mom. So being the investigator I am, I clicked on the mother's profile to check it out. But when I did that, I found a picture her mom posted with a man. So I was like, oh, this must be my crush's father. But then I click on his profile and see that he has a different last name in her. So I'm like, that's odd. And after a little more research, I found out that her parents were divorced and this was the mom's new boyfriend. So fast forward a few days later, I'm talking to this girl and she's telling me about how she had a hard childhood. So I slipped up and was like, yeah, I totally get it. I mean, having divorced parents can't be easy. But then she goes, wait, how'd you know my parents were divorced? And I was like, you told me, duh. Anyways, look at that bird. So then we changed the subject, but she definitely knew I was doing some investigating on her.